Hey dolls, welcome back to DivaDollFlawless. In today's video, I have a tutorial for you on how I personalized an apron for my mother-in-law. The font that you see here, the Lella's Kitchen, is written in Arab brushstroke, and then the image that you see to the left is actually one I had to find online, drop it into Design Space, and really mess with it to get it to be able to cut the way that I wanted it to. And then the PR that's actually on top of it, I just attached it and it's going to cut it the exact same way that you see it in the software. Make sure you save your project, and now it's time to cut. So I'm going to size the material, and then I'm also going to click mirror. Okay, this is very important when you're using HTV if you don't know that already. But a heat transfer vinyl has a carrier sheet that you will lay down onto the mat. So you're going to lay the vinyl onto the mat with the shiny side down, and the back of the vinyl is normally like a more matte color. So you're going to cut this with the front face down onto the mat. All right, then you need to go ahead and choose which machine you're cutting with. I chose one of my Cricut Makers, and then I need to have the Cricut Maker set up to cut it. So I need to choose glitter vinyl because that's what Cricut needs to recognize it as in order to cut it properly, even though I still had a bit of a headache cutting this one for some reason. Then you need to click more for the pressure, and this is also supposed to help in aiding in this being cut correctly and the whole weeding process. And it took me forever to cut this specific color. I don't know why. I really don't. I did use my Cricut light pad, you'll see, but this one was a difficult image to cut out. And the letters were nice and thick. The image was really thick, so I really don't know what the problem was on this. It was just hard to see. So because it was hard for me to see, it was hard to weed out. They do have a Cricut Easy Press interactive guide. This is very important because you want to be able to know how or what settings you should use to adhere this to the garment. So I used glitter vinyl, and the apron is 100% cotton, and I did purchase this apron from Walmart. And then I'm going to use my Cricut Easy Press Mat as well as the Cricut Easy Press. All right, so on the right hand side, it's going to tell me how to adhere it. This is just a shot of what the image looked like. The actual weeded letters are attached to the transfer tape, and that's already on the other side of the room. But yeah, I needed to get this so you guys can see it. But that Cricut light pad it really didn't help me on this specific project. All right, so then you need to preheat your garment. This is just going to take any additional moisture out, and then you can go ahead and proceed to transfer the images to the garment. Now, typically I would have like another carrier sheet besides the one that comes with the glitter vinyl, but honestly with the Cricut Easy Press you really don't need it. The images aren't going to stick to the Easy Press itself. They won't, because of the material that the plate is made from. And that's it. I loved how it turned out in the end. This one was definitely a labor of love but I did enjoy it, and so did she. It was super sparkly in person, and that's it. So I hope you all enjoyed. Please like and subscribe if you have not, and I will see you in the next one. Have a gorgeous day, dolls. Smooches. Mwah. Bye.